Hey guys, now we are here to introduce how to make a pinback button. First, we need a preprint paper, but if you ask what the size of the image in the middle is, your image size is the PVC frame size. Now we use the circle cutter to cut it. The circle cutter will save so much time than using the scissors. It can cut into any regular size. Put the front shell, first, the graphic and the mirror into the thermal die, which is on the left side of the button maker. Put the paint back into the dipper die. Then pull down the handle, move the base to the second die, and pull down the handle again. Now you got your finished button.